Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows. Now before I'm gonna proceed with this tutorial, I just want to inform you guys that this is actually not applicable in Windows 11. This is only up to Windows 10. So there are a lot of things that you can't do in Windows 11 anymore, and this is one of those. So first things first, let's head over here and look for Windows Security. This one right here, and then we're going to click Windows or Virus and Threat Protection. And then you have here virus and threat protection settings. Go ahead and click this. Now you're going to disable real-time protection, and then the same thing down below, you're going to disable all of these three as well, so make sure you do that one. Now you're going to be seeing this notice, just go ahead and close that one and never mind it, because again, that is just some sort of notification stating that your virus or threat protection is disabled. Now, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close this one and type here regedit or registry editor. Now, click the yes button right there. Basically, it's just asking you to run this one. From here, go ahead and follow. So we're going to click the machine. We're going to open the software, and then we're going to scroll down. And we're going to look for policies. Open that one, and then we're going to open Microsoft. And you have the Windows Defender here. So from here, I want you to go ahead and right click new, and then choose dword 32-bit value. From here, I want you to type this one. So the caps or capital letter should be the same thing. Okay, so type it exactly as how I do it. Disable anti-spyware. Now just go ahead and hit anywhere to enter it, and then I want you to double click it, change the value data here to 1, hit OK, and you are done. So the last thing that you are going to do is restart this one in order for this to take full effect on your PC, and that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done.